Tummy Time prepares babies for the time when they will be able to slide on their bellies and crawl. A good tummy time mat will give your little one somewhere safe and clean to enjoy freedom on the floor. They help to get babies ready for sliding on their bellies and ultimately crawling. In order to help you to find out the best one, we have selected and reviewed 5 best tummy time mats, which are recommended by users and field experts. If you like any of them, you can buy through the link in the description. Before starting review, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for latest baby product reviews. Number 1. Yookidoo Baby Tummy Time Mat. Designed to strengthen baby's shoulders, chest, upper body, and crawling skills. And develops visual and auditory skills. Made from high-quality materials, with a great variety of toys. Hidden pocket is present, for additional accessories. Folds conveniently into a self-contained roll-and-go carrying case, for easy transport. It is easy to clean, very soft, and keeps baby busy and entertained, for quality time. Comes with large colorful tummy time pillow, and a soft padded infant floor mattress. The musical playmat gives 10 minutes of consecutive music. Number 2. Splashin' Kids Inflatable Tummy Time Mat. Constructed from heavy-duty PVC that has been thoroughly tested and will not leak air or water. An essential tool for developing solid head, neck and shoulder muscles, eye coordination, fine motor and social skills. It folds easily when empty, into your purse or toy bag, to bring along anywhere you go. The baby will fascinate by the bright colors, sharp contrasts, and cute floating toys. Simply fill the outer ring with air, and the inner mat with your desired level of tap water, and let the baby enjoy. For ages 3 months and up, with a large roomy play size area, designed to keep your baby boy or girls interested. Number 3. Splashin' Kids Tummy Time Water Mat with Mirror. Constructed from heavy-duty PVC that has been thoroughly tested and will not leak air or water. An essential tool for developing solid head, neck and shoulder muscles, eye coordination, fine motor and social skills. Baby will enjoy the mirror and rattle toys, and provide hours of quality stimulating and healthy fun. Simply fill the outer ring with air, and the inner mat with your desired level of tap water, and let the fun begin. Suitable for ages 3 months and up, with a large roomy play size area. Number 4. Cheney's Musical Tummy Time Mat. Made of high-quality material that is safe for baby and the environment. The cartoon theme is ultra-modern, and helps improve your little one's cognitive abilities. Gender-neutral shades make it great for both boys or girls. And encourages infants, head lifting, reaching and grabbing. It is thick and comfortable, and comes with a plush pillow attached, to support the baby's head. Number 5. Gebra Tummy Time Water Mat. Its 0.35 mm thick PVC, screw cap water plug, and improved technology, completely solve the leakage problem. The unique sea turtle design, with 8 double-sided color-printed floating animals, attract baby's attention. It also passed the safety test, to ensure baby safety during use. It can bear 80 pounds weight, without water leak problem. Simply fill the outer ring with air, and the inner mat with water, set it on the floor, and let the tummy time begin. All of the product reviews are based on research work, and are meant to provide you value. Buying through our link will not cost you money, but we will earn some commission.